man, this is my new bike I got for Christmas, and my name's Simon Perry, and I'm gonna do a bike check. Yeah. Well, at the front, I've got eclat Ashley Charles bars, the version 2. Yeah, they're pretty nice. Chrome. Had the version 1 in yellow, they were nice. For the stem, I've got eclat Burns, Sean Burns, signature stem, Equazy. Fuckload of salt spacers. Eclat stream forks. I literally just broke BSD ghetto forks. The dropout snapped. For my wheel, I have a demolition momentum tire, the big huge fucking fat ones, 2.35. Peg on this side is a salt slim peg, I don't know. The other peg's a primo binary peg with the sleeve, the plastic sleeve on it. For the wheel, I have primo spokes with eclat wheel, or eclat hub, simplex hub with primo balance 7005 rims in blue, fucking light. For the frame, I have Flybike's Montana frame. I broke my orange one, it cracked at the seat tube, so I'm not too keen on this frame, but get it if you want. Forgot my grips. I've got Chase Hawk signature grips that last you about 6 months. I've had these for about 6 months. Odyssey patterns that don't break. We the people see. I was told it was a Bel RC, but I don't think it is, because Krieg has a Bel RC. Eclat plaza pedals. I have fucking loads of eclat in my bike. Loads. Eclat plaza pedals. Colonial cranks version 2.
Worn down already.
What?
Worn down already.
Fuck it, man. Count it. That the 2.5 piece cranks. They're kind of like 2-piece cranks, but the spindle can come off, but there's only one bolt holding it altogether. Fly pentagono sprocket, I don't know what it's called. KMC kool chain. Back tire, I've got Wheel People Grippin 2.25. For the back spokes, I have primo spokes with BSD backstreet hub, female, and a BSD Jersey barrier Hubguard, and a primo balance 7005 rim that had the back pegs primo binary last one. Then for the bottom bracket, I've got demolition bottom bracket Spanish, and for seat post I've got a stone thermalite thing that I've had since I got my first bike. And that's it. Yeah.